guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily for those of you who are new, and in today's video I wanted to change it up a little bit and show you how I create my henna tattoos. I'm too indecisive to commit to a real tattoo, so henna tattoos are great for me, and I've been doing it for quite a few years now and I absolutely love it. So yeah, so I was gonna do it and I figured I'd show you guys what I use and how I do it. It's a lot easier than you might think. It looks intimidating, but they make it pretty easy for you to do. So I'm just putting on my glove because I know I will probably get it all over and I don't want to stain my nails. So I get these from Amazon, the henna kits. There's this one. This is my favorite one, and actually the only one that I really use. It's Jagua tattoos, and it's like black henna, so it looks like a real tattoo, which is what I like. But I also have this kit, and this is the actual henna, normal henna. It'll be brown. It's still brand new. I never used it. So this is everything that comes in the kit. So this bottle is what I don't like. This little point, it's actually too big, so I'm not a fan of it. And also the bottle, I don't know, it's not my favorite. I have used it before, but, and then it comes with the base gel from the other kit. I'm going to use the bottle that it comes with, which I had an extra, but I had some leftover henna, which is old, so I got rid of it, washed it out. So I'm going to use the same kind of container. I've had the Jagua tattoo come like this before, but every time I order it, it's different. It's either like this or like this, and I don't know how to distinguish between the two, like which one I'll be getting or how to look out for just this one. I don't know. It's very weird. But I do think I like this one better. So I'm going to take this from this kit. I love these little tips. They're much more precise. You just put it on top like that, and it's awesome. It comes with little stencils like this. Kind of cute. I mean, I never use any of them, but it's kind of cute. This butterfly's nice. And then it comes with transfer paper. So if you feel like you're not the best artist, you can actually trace one of these designs on here, and then it works just like a tattoo. You put some Vaseline, and when you pull it, it'll just transfer right on, and then you can just go over it with the henna, which is cool. I did a hummingbird on my thigh one time, and I ended up using it because I didn't want to freehand a hummingbird. So I did use it, and it works really well. But I think that's pretty cool that that all comes in the kit. So I'll put this back in the other one. All right. These I like to use if I mess up. I just use these to like fix your errors. You can put something down if you don't want, if you care about the table that you're working on. I don't, so it's okay if it gets stained. So I'm gonna just transfer this. See, and I can kind of already tell that this powder, for some reason, is a bit more green than I'd like. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this bottle. Don't like it. They do mark it, however, to where the point is where you have to fill it with water. This one actually has the little line here that you fill up to there. So I'm going to do that. Let me grab some water. Okay. Great, so I filled it up to the line. Take this away. Now I'm just going to shake it vigorously. Okay, so now I'm going to take the oil. It says it's eucalyptus oil. It smells pretty strong, but you get used to it. Pour that in there. I hear it sizzling. All right, there it is. I'm gonna let it sit for the 15 minutes and we'll be back. I ended up having to put the base gel in the bottle as well because it was too liquidy. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess it does need this. Hopefully it comes out. It comes out good. The henna I've been getting recently is so runny, but I don't like it. It normally does not look like this. It looks more raised, not so flat, spread out and running. But it's on there, so it's too late. So now I was going to do some finger ones, but I don't know because of the runniness. I feel like it's going to look like a mess, but if I don't do it, I feel like it might be missing it. So maybe I'll do 1 or 2 fingers. I'll do my pointer. My finger's crooked normally, so that doesn't help the design. Now you just let this dry. I normally leave it for about an hour once I'm fully done, but you know, some parts are going to be dry sooner, like these parts because we did those first. But this being so runny, I don't know how long it's going to take. You just wash it off with warm water, even a little soap if you want, and it'll develop over time. Sometimes right when I take it off, I can kind of see it already coming through, but tomorrow will be a little lighter than this. Do a little test patch on yourself just to make sure you're not allergic. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different, but it is something that I do all the time, and it fits in the realm of artsy beauty stuff for me because I think it's beautiful. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you again for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.